Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Now the question here says convert 1/16 to base 6. Now the first thing for us to do is to express this in decimal form. So 1/16 expressed in decimal, 1/16 in decimal form will be equal to 0.0625. So you can use your calculator to convert this. So this expressed in decimal will give us 0.0625. Now, in order to convert this to the base 6, what I'm going to do is to take this point now, this value, which is 0.0625, 0.0625, and then we're going to multiply it by this base that we're converting it to. So we're going to multiply it by 6. So when we multiply this 0.0625 by 6, it is going to give us 0.375. 0.375. So that is what it is going to give to us. This multiplied by 6, 0.375. Now the next thing for us to do is to continue our multiplication. We use this same decimal part to multiply the 6 again. So we're going to have 0.375 now multiplied by 6. So we're going to use this decimal part again to multiply the same base 6, and that will give us 2.25. So it's going to give us 2.25. Now the next thing for us to do is to take this decimal point, the decimal part. Please don't take the whole number part. Only use the decimal part. So this is 0.25 now. So we're going to take the 0.25, which is the decimal part, multiply by the same base 6. We continue to multiply by 6. And then that will now give us, so the 0.25 multiplied by 6 is going to give us 1.5. 1.5. And then the next thing now, as usual, is to take the decimal part. We leave the whole number part, the decimal part, which is 0.5 now. 0.5. Don't forget that this 0.5 is ending as 0.5. And then multiply by 6. And when we multiply that by 6, it's going to give us 3.0. It's going to give us the whole number 3. We can simply write 0.0. So now that we have arrived at a whole number 3, then we can stop the process. And then that will now give us the final answer to the question. Now, in order to obtain the final answer, we are going to simply say 1/16 now. Don't forget the 1/16 is in base 10. Converting it to base 6. So the final answer will be taking the values on this left-hand side before the decimal point. So we're going to take 0, 2, 1, 3. So start taking from the first value at the top. So it's going to be 0. Don't forget the value is 0. So the original question there is 0. So we're going to take the 0 point, and then you take all these numbers after the decimal point. 0, 2, 1, 3, and in base 6. So 1/16 in base 10 converted to base 6 will give us 0.0213 as our final answer. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more detailed videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.